Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. What a day. So, today I undertook the task of preparing some stop molding, basically nothing more than a 1x2 for my old basement door. The old one was not fitting properly, it had been hobcobbled over the years by others and by me. And I have somebody coming who's going to bring some weather stripping. And I figured, okay, I better get this fixed so that they can put the weather stripping on top of it. So I had to make some of this, just 1x2, nothing special. So I had some clear pine standing up in the back there, and I ripped some out. Naturally, I had to joint the edges and rip it out and so on and so forth. It felt good to work with longer stock and bigger things. And basically, this looked like this before I hand planed it. So this is what is showing now down in the basement. So this was dirty wood, and I had to take my number 4 and shave off part of the edge of the door. Now the door is 145 years old, and good golly, there's cut nails in it. And really, the best tool to work on that door is a belt sander or a disc sander. But I managed to shave off what I needed without damaging the tools, and they just need a sharpening and a cleanup and put away. And I just finished cleaning up most of the workshop. But I tell you what, it's not as easy as it once was when I was younger. But I guess that's just the nature of things. So I hope you've had a good day. I'm going to take these apart now, clean them, dust them out, sharpen and hone them, and put them back on the shelf for the next time I need them. But the dirty wood is tough on blades, and the edges of doors is tough on blades. So get on it right away so that you don't, the next time you need the tool, it's ready to go. So that's about it for today. Wishing you all the best. Thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next video. Walter out.